Hello everyone. In this video, we discuss about the report that is written that should be written on Java graphic user interfaces. See, graphic user interface is a concept where we create certain applications and we interact with the backend programming using the graphic user interface. Let me show you the example. Say, for example, this is a login file where this is how we create a graphic user interface. If you cross check this is a login application of graphic user interface where we will be using our user ID and password to log on to the application and access other features of the application. So this is what we call a login application, graphic user interface, using which we can log into the application. So this is how they are actually some of the graphic user interfaces that we use. See, most often we come across mobile applications and the web applications. Graphic user interfaces are usually console applications that we use to uh, um, run backend code. See, usually like before we used to use these web applications, we most often depended on console applications where graphic user interfaces are used. Okay, so anyhow, this is a simple thing. I clearly showed you how a login application can be created. So the main work in this as a part of completing this report is we create some sort of literature review related to graphic user interface and Java graphic user interface and Java Swings concept and its how it will be used in the process of creating graphic user interface. Okay, so let us start with this is the report structure. This section has to be covered so in your report. Later, like the program part and other thing will be taken care by the technical team. Okay, so for the document, we need some kind of documentation. So I'm asking you to work on it. So discuss what is graphic user interface, how it will be created. Then speak about Java graphic user interface, some what kind of practical implementations we can create. I mention about any kind of application like student recording system, student account management system, student exam fee. Like you take any sample example, one or two, one example is enough. So mention what is Java graphic user interface and try to give an example of any application. That's fine. Then discuss about what kind of benefits graphic user interfaces provide application developers and users. So usually like when we have a graphic user interface and a proper name is given to whatever the elements that are used in the graphic user interface. So say for example, there is a button to log in. When we click on it, we understand that we can log into the application. If we have basic awareness on the application, it is very easy for us to access the application and use it for a particular purpose. So user friendliness will be there, definitely strongly built, and there will be no technical errors. Like say for example, data entry errors. Sometimes we might be giving wrong button, we might be clicking. That kind of things can be avoided because of graphic user interface. It reduces effort that are required by the users to use it. Okay. Anyhow, these are some of the basic benefits. Try to cross check from Google search and find some of the main benefits of graphic user interface when we use it for the real world scenario. Okay, so try to mention some of your own understanded, like whatever you understood from the research, that benefits has to be mentioned. Next, we discuss about significant functions that are acquired or used in the program that we have developed. We are using as a part of the technical team will be using Java Swings concept. So try to write about Java Swings concept. Then discussing, we are supposed to discuss some of the important functions that we have used in the programming part. So here we have used J button and J frame, which are concepts of swings. These two functions you should discuss. What is J button? Why it will be used? What is the format of using it? So you will find everything online. Then mention about Java Swings J frame. You should discuss about these two things. In addition to these two, I recommend you to write at least two or three other functions that are related to Java Swings concept. You check these all are whatever the things that are mentioned in rectangular brackets, all are different functions. You can select any one or two functions and you discuss about them. By that, your report will end. Okay, so I try to conclude in 50 words, stating the importance, how beneficial the application of Java Spring's concept in designing graphic user interface. Make a conclusion on that one. I will include that too here. Okay, after these three things, write a conclusion. Then this part, adding sample programs part will be taken care by the technical team. So I want you to complete this whole document in 3 pages. That's enough. Hardly, I guess it will come around 800 words, 700 to 800 words. So make sure you write complete three pages. Maybe it means that you should be entering into the fourth page. Okay, after completing third page, you should enter into the fourth page. That's it. And give one or two references, not more than that. And make sure you use textbooks as references. Okay, so mostly you should go and find some in Amazon or like in other sites, you can find some kind of Google books. You can find some kind of textbooks related to Java Swings concept and Java graphic user interfaces. Please add them as reference. All right, that's it from my side. Give your best. Thank you.